Getting the best AI agent for the job is confusing if you don't know what they can do. In this part, you'll learn about the 5 main types of AI agents and how they work. An AI agent's capability is tied to how well it thinks its actions through, from simple reactions to fully articulated and unique conversations. Let's dive in. Reactive or simple reflex agents. These agents respond to specific stimuli with set actions following an if condition, then action logic. They can process multiple inputs, but respond to each one independently, and none of it is stored for future use. Smoke detectors are one example. They sense particles in the air and alarm when smoke levels are too high. Model-based agents. This type builds on reactive agents by using internal states to track changes in the environment. Model-based agents rely on these internal models to make more informed and context-aware decisions. Email spam filters use internal models trained to spot and tag spam, making them model-based agents. Goal-based agents. These AI agents are built to solve problems and find the optimal actions to achieve a desired goal or outcome. Goal-based agents evaluate multiple scenarios and future consequences, helping them determine which actions are most effective. Scheduling assistance, for example, find a suitable meeting time by evaluating factors like availability, preferences, and time zones. Utility-based agents. Utility-based agents are also built for problem-solving, but focus on maximizing utility rather than just achieving a specific goal. Unlike goal-based agents, they compare different outcomes to find the most beneficial or effective option. For instance, navigation apps find multiple routes based on defined requirements and select the most beneficial option. Learning agents. Learning agents use past experiences and new data to improve their performance by adapting to user feedback. These feedback loops allow learning agents to continue growing and evolving to meet changing customer needs. AI voice assistants are one example. They learn speech patterns, preferences, and habits to provide more personalized responses. Each type of AI agent has its own use and place in society, and understanding them helps you determine what's best for your business and clients. In the next part of this series, we'll look into how AI agents process information. Stay tuned. Follow us to learn more BPO insights or schedule a discovery call today. We'll be waiting. We are Unity Communications. Win with us.